So, starting the presentation. Hello everyone. I am I am delighted to have a great audience hearing me today. Before starting today's session, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nancy Rastogi. I am a senior research associate at Verispire Noida. I am a registered patent agent. My objective in next few minutes is to get you all familiar with the roles and responsibilities of a patent agent. So first I will be talking about key concept related to the intellectual property rights and then the role of a patent agent for filing a patent application. In previous sessions, we have already learned about different type of intellectual property rights in details. However, let's quickly refresh our knowledge. As we all know, the IP is used to define, protect, and exploit new ideas that one has created. The most common IP rights are patents, copyrights, trademarks, design, and trade secrets. These rights are territorial and are recognized by most of the countries in the world. Intellectual property is an intangible asset, means we cannot touch it physically, though its inherent rights are like a tangible asset, like a flat, house, car, and alike. As we can sell, license, and transfer the physical property to others, in the same manner we can sell, license, and transfer the IP rights to others and can generate money out of it. Repeating it again, as we can sell, license, and transfer the physical property to others, in the same manner we can sell, license, and transfer the IP rights to others and can generate money out of it. Moving onwards, patents are granted for new ideas or inventions. The invention has to be filed as an application at the patent office, and one has to go through an examination process for getting the patent granted. Patents are usually valid for 20 years from the date of filing. Copyrights, these are given for original creative or artistic forms, and these rights are valid for throughout the lifetime and for 50 years after the death of the author, or 75 years from first publication for corporate authors. Trademarks, these are given for distinctive identification of products or services, and one has to register the trademark at a respective trademark office. The registration of trademark is valid for a period of 10 years, after which it has to be renewed time to time. Designs are registered for an external appearance or for aesthetic view of a product. Initially, the copyright in designs is registered for 10 years, which can be further extended by 5 years on making an application for renewal. The registration for design is valid in total for 15 years. Trade secrets. These protect a highly confidential document that needs to be kept as secret from others. It is valid as far as it is kept as secret. Moving onwards. One product can cover many IP rights. Few days back, it was in news that young students have filed patent application for Drona unmanned aerial vehicle. Undoubtedly, these inventors have set a new benchmark for our country. But if we see such invention in form of a product, we can understand such products may cover more IP rights apart from patents such as trademarks, copyrights, and industrial designs. But how can a person know the potential of an idea or what to protect in a final product? Who can help us in identifying the IP in the product? The answer is an IP expert. Patent agent, trademark agents, and IP attorneys are the professionals who can guide us for getting a better and full-fledged protection for the product. Let's discuss about the patent agents now. Who is a patent agent? A person who is qualified to prosecute patent applications in front of a controller is known as a patent agent. To be a patent agent, one has to pass a patent agent examination conducted by the patent office. Once the exam is passed, the name of the person is recorded as a patent agent in a register maintained by the patent office. To be registered as a patent agent, one has to be a citizen of India. The age should be above 21 years. And if we talk about the qualification, one should have a bachelor degree in science and engineering or equivalent. Before talking about the role of a patent agent, it is also important to know who is an inventor and who is considered as an applicant under the Indian Patent Act 1970. So, an inventor should be an originator of an idea. There can be more than one inventors for an invention. They must have worked together and all should make a contribution to the invention. There is a very interesting fact. Do you know who has been recognized as a youngest inventor? Samuel Thomas Horton, a British inventor, has received a patent for his invention sweeping device with two heads at the age of 5. At the age of 5, isn't interesting? Yes, it is. Moving onwards. Who is an applicant? An applicant is the one who files an application. He can be a true and first inventor, an assignee, or a legal representative of a true and first inventor. An assignee can be a natural person and a legal entity as well, such as a company, a startup, an organization, an educational institute, or the government. Let's understand this with an example. If a student and a teacher have worked on an idea and the school is filing a patent application on that idea, the school would be considered as an applicant and the student and the teacher would be considered as the co-inventors. So now role of a patent agent. The primary role of a patent agent is to help an applicant to secure legal protection for his or her invention by filing a patent application and prosecuting the same at the patent office. According to the designated sections of the Indian Patent Act, a patent agent practices before the Controller General of Patent on behalf of an applicant, prepares all the documents, transacts all business and discharges all functions as asked by the controller, apply for patents obtained in India or elsewhere, prepare patent specification and other documents as well. So, a role of a patent agent at different stages of a patent life cycle. We know at different stages of a patent life cycle, there are many proceedings one has to go through. So, let's know how can a patent agent help us in different stages. Once we know we have an idea that could be new and inventive, one should promptly reach to a patent agent or an IP firm. So, learning the stage of the idea, a patent agent may suggest which type of application one should file. For example, if the ideation is at initial stage, a patent agent would suggest to file a provisional application first and to assert a priority date. He or she will be sending timely reminders to file a complete specification. If the idea is developed enough to be claimed, the patent agent would suggest to file a complete application directly. So along with preparing forms, patent agent drafts a specification for the invention with a proper claim set. Once the patent is published, the patent agent or the IP firms will intimate the applicant for its publication and may send a clipping of the patent general. After 18-month publication, the application is usually open to pre-grant apposition also. So if any such apposition is received, the patent agent also prepares response for such apposition and can defend the application at the patent office. Further, patent agent also files a request for examination in a requisite format. Once the request for examination is filed, an examination process is generally initiated by the patent office, and an examination report having objection is sent to the applicant. Patent agent helps the applicant to overcome with such objections by drafting a proper office action response. Once the decision is granted is made, the patent gets published in a weekly journal of the patent office, and the patent agent and the IP firm would be intimating the applicant for its publication and also may send a clipping of the patent general. Further, once the patent is granted, the patent is open for post-grant opposition. So, if any post-grant opposition is held, patent agent prepares a response to overcome such objections of opposition and to defend the patent. After the grant of the patent, the applicant may choose the agent to submit annual fee and working statement of the invention in proper format. Apart from these, a patent agent may take part in further proceedings as to prepare and respond to communication related to infringement and litigation. Moving onwards. If we discuss about a role of a patent agent in short, a patent agent is a mediator and a moderator between the patent office and the applicant. Patent agent interprets the communication received from the patent office and further prepares responses on behalf of the applicant. Patent agent also files and prosecutes design application for an industrial design and responds to all communications received in regards of the design application as well. Moving onwards. So how to get information regarding a patent agent? For this, name of patent agents are recorded in a register of patent agents that is maintained by the patent office. One can search a patent agent easily at the website. There are many searchable fields on this database, such as name, agent number, city, and so one can find easily and verify the credential of a patent agent from e-register of the patent agent from the website. Moving forward. How can we entitle the patent agent to file and prosecute the patent application? One may assign the rights to a patent agent by executing a Form 26 on a notarized stamp paper. Here, the Form 26 is shown that is required to be executed by the applicant and the patent agent. Patent agent need to submit such forms along with the patent application to the Controller General of Patents. Once this form is submitted and acknowledged by the Patent Office, the patent agent is considered as an authorized person for prosecuting the application. Moving onwards. So, what are the benefits of hiring or engaging a patent agent? So, first of all, patent agents are the professional who is working in the field of patents. So, they are the best person to know like how the proceedings should work. So, it may save time of an applicant. Patent agent will be preparing all the documents and will be doing all the formalities at the patent office. So, it would be saving time of the applicant. And then patent agent may help in identifying what to protect and how to protect. They also write patent application and the proper claim sets. So applicant would be knowing like how what to protect in the invention and what should be the scope of the claim sets. Patent agents also file application online like in India and the PCT application. So it will also save the time of that used to be consumed in correspondence. Patent agent can file an expedite application and can defend a priority date at the right time. They used to adhere to the timelines also. They maintain all the communication and used to respond to all the communications. They would be also attending litigation and hearing on behalf of an applicant, and also request for foreign filing permission in case applicant is interested in foreign filing processing. So it is highly recommended that inventor should consider a patent agent or attorney for filing a patent application. Concluding my today's session here, in case of any query, I can be reached at nancy.rastogi@verisfire.net. Thank you so much, everyone.